8 short facts how fireworks cause distress to animals. Loud explosions. Fireworks generate loud and sudden noises, causing stress to animals with sensitive hearing. Anxiety and fear. The loud bangs of fireworks can lead to anxiety and fear in animals, especially pets. Disorientation. The flashing lights and loud sounds can scare animals, making them feel lost and confused. Increased heart rate. Fireworks can lead to an elevated heart rate in animals, which can be detrimental, especially for those with heart conditions. Escape attempts. Pets may attempt to escape their homes or enclosures in a panicked response to fireworks. Injury risk. Frightened animals may injure themselves by running into objects, getting entangled, or falling from heights. Respiratory problems. Firework smoke can worsen respiratory conditions in animals, particularly those with pre-existing issues. Impact on wildlife. Fireworks can disrupt the natural behavior of wildlife, affecting birds and other creatures. Whilst you are having fun, not every creature that we share this planet with is. It's important to be mindful of these effects and take measures to protect animals during fireworks displays. Thank you for watching, and please remember that your fun is not necessarily fun for them.